Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Paksiw na Pampano, a delightful Filipino fish stew. This classic dish features fresh pampano, simmered in a tangy vinegar broth with aromatic ginger and garlic. We'll also incorporate vibrant vegetables like eggplant and long green chilies, creating a balanced and flavorful meal. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying recipe that brings out the natural sweetness of the fish, complemented by the sour notes of the vinegar. Get ready to prepare a truly authentic and delicious Filipino favorite. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. First, ensure your pampano fish, weighing about 1 kilogram, is meticulously cleaned and scored to allow the flavors to penetrate deeply. Next, thinly slice your ginger, garlic, and long green chilies. These aromatics are crucial for the Paksiw's distinct taste. Don't forget to prepare your eggplant and bitter melon, cutting them into uniform pieces. Arranging everything neatly in your pot sets the stage for a perfectly cooked and visually appealing dish. With all your ingredients in the pot, it's time to start cooking. Carefully pour in 1 cup of cane vinegar and half a cup of water, along with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover your pot and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. This slow simmering allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a rich and tangy broth. Your delicious Paksiw na Pampano is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully transfer the fish and vegetables to a serving platter, making sure to include plenty of that wonderful, tangy broth. This dish is best served hot, alongside a generous helping of freshly steamed white rice, which perfectly balances the rich, sour flavors. It's a comforting and healthy meal that truly highlights the simplicity and deliciousness of Filipino cuisine. Enjoy every flavorful bite of your homemade Paksiw.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.